Another reminder for you that school is now canceled in the Bastrop ISD for the rest of this week. Same goes for the Smithville Independent School District. Now that the fire has started moving towards Smithville, school officials there say it's just not safe for school buses to be out in the rural areas trying to pick up students. And some folks in and around Smithville may not be able to dial 911 now. A fiber line was cut while trying to fight that fire in Bastrop County. If you need help in Smithville, you should flag down emergency service personnel or go to the Smithville Police Department. We're also told that the phones are not working at Seton Smithville Regional Hospital.